Hi, I'm Merle Bushkin, founder and CEO of Health Record Corporation, creator of the patented MedKaz Health Record System. Here's our talented team. I'm the only old-timer. Most are younger than my kids. They're outstanding at what they do. We're all deeply committed to the MedKaz and the enormous difference it can make in people's lives. This is a MedKaz, a distinctive flash drive that emergency responders and others can quickly identify. We have two models. Both fit on your keychain or can be worn as a pendant. One's thin enough to fit in your wallet. They have 4 gigabytes of memory and come loaded with our MedKaz application. The MedKaz solves 2 of the biggest problems each of us faces in healthcare. How to ensure our doctors have our complete medical record available when and where we need it, and how to ensure our records remain secure and private. Surprisingly, other systems can't solve these problems. They're incompatible with one another. So your doctors and hospitals can't access all your records or easily coordinate your care with your other doctors. This can have serious consequences. They may make mistakes that make you sicker rather than better. They may order tests you've already had or don't need. In an emergency, they may have to wait to treat you until they can get your records. It's also why they ask you the same annoying questions over and over again. Our patented MedKaz system solves these problems. No other system does. We organize your records around you, not your providers, and store them on your MedKaz, not network servers. We don't require doctors to change the way they keep their records, and the MedKaz accepts all your records from all your providers in all formats, both paper and electronic. And when you give it to your doctor, he or she has your complete record to look at and knows that they are your records, not someone else's. And because your records aren't stored on servers or in the cloud, you don't have to worry about them being breached or stolen. They're encrypted on your MedKaz, which you own, control, and routinely back up. Everyone should have a MedKaz. It could save your life. You never know when you'll get sick, but when you do, young or old, your doctors need to know your medical history and have access to your records so they can treat you properly and avoid mistakes they might otherwise make. It's easy with a MedKaz, impossible with other systems. Your doctors log on to your MedKaz and review the time-saving documents waiting for them. They then examine and treat you, and with only 2 or 3 clicks, they can sort, search, and read your actual records from all your providers to understand your health issues and coordinate your care with your other providers. When finished, they complete their progress notes and update your MedKaz, or send them to us to process. In either case, your MedKaz is updated for you. You don't have to bother. Thus, the MedKaz is the only system that can give you peace of mind that your medical records and information will be available when you need them, and that they are secure and private at all times. Your MedKaz is surprisingly easy to use. You'll want to enter your information and assemble your records right away, even if you don't need them now, so you have them when you do. You enter your personal information and some background medical information. We or your care providers do the rest, and your records are always secure and HIPAA compliant. Your MedKaz also saves you from having to fill out the same forms and answer the same questions over and over again, or be subjected to repeated or unnecessary tests. Just tell anyone who asks that your information is on your MedKaz, period. Don't worry if your doctors at first hesitate to use your MedKaz. It's new to them too, so they may be slow to use it. But they'll quickly see it increases their productivity and income and helps them treat you better. And they'll understand it's a win-win for both of you. You too can open and read your records, generate your own medication and immunization reports, append a correction or comment if you find a mistake, and access popular health-focused websites, such as Mayo Clinic, directly from your MedKaz to learn about your illness, medications, or treatment options. Also, you can check the audit trail on your MedKaz to see who opened it, when, and the records they looked at. Most importantly, your MedKaz empowers you to participate in decisions about your care. Almost 400 people are participating in our pilot study, using their MedKaz with their doctors. We need your help. Thanks for your support.